Alright, in this part I want to explain the backup system for how we can understand our mobile phone or player mobile phone can support the surface tracking and AR core for AR foundation or not. We have the system, it's called device support checker. I want to explain it. It is very easy. In here you can you need to add the season. It's called season, AR season. In here you need to add it, and it's the text in the UI text, and it's the process. If it is null, if it is not null, season enable is false. And in here, in the first moment, you can check it. It is equal known or checking availability. It's going to the next step. And in here you will enable it. If it is in the first moment it is unsupport, it's you can do anything as you want, and if it is not, you going to the next step. In here I said that this is an equal null. The text of our UI text will equal AR season not found on this game object name. And also in here, if the season is not null, you will check the status of the AR season. If AR season states equal known or unsupported, it means your device cannot support the surface tracking and AR core. And I will set the text in here, and I save the result in the memory. AR support no, AR support no. And in here you are in the middle of the process, and it is not sure on support or not sure can support. In here, in this status, ready or season initializing and season tracking, you can your device can support the surface tracking. And in the text UI it said AR is support and ready, and another status. For example, you can add another functions, such as for example, if the your device cannot support the AR surface tracking, you can say, okay, change the mechanism of movement, and from physical walk to the joystick walk, or I don't know, another functions. Or for example, in here, if you can support it, check on the AR position script, or if you cannot check, if you cannot support, check on the and disable the AR position script for optimization your app. Okay, let's do see and test in the real condition. I drag and drop the device support checker component to the AR season, and drag and drop in here, and I will create a new UI text. I say in here, in the middle of this screen, 1222, and something like this. And in here, let's do test in the computer. In the computer, because my webcam cannot support the surface tracking, so it said okay, AR is not supported on the current device. Okay, let's do test that on my phone. We will see the result on my phone. Okay, Let's do tests in the APK. Now, as you can see, it said AR is supported and ready. So we will test the teleport system. Okay, it works perfectly. I walk inside of it. Alright,